So the SPM 101 EZ, our newest family member to the pocket hole line, just developed over the last 2 years via our engineering group and a university in Minnesota helped us develop this product. We spent time testing it with customers and found that they love it. They haven't really found an error with it. We refined it fairly well before we even put it out in the marketplace. Our introduction to the SPM 101 EZ basically entails a lot of the product that you'll see in our high-end machines without the pneumatic capacity or need requirements. So there's a little bit more manual work with it, but yet it does the same quality pocket you'll see in the product. From hardwoods to your melamine board, MDF, anything you may be pocketing. Again, with the 6-degree pilot hole, with a very nice pocket. Very easy for joinery. The machine works and functions very similar to our other machine. It basically allows you to set your product in here, do a nice setup in there, lock down with your manual clamp. You've got one switch that turns on both your pocket router and your pilot hole router. It's got emergency stop, one action. One action creates that pocket. Size, very easy adjustability again with this machine, back and forth for doing your different screw links, as well as you have the ability inside this machine to adjust it for different depths of cut. It's just a mechanical depth change. Very simple machine, perfect for that guy that's doing a couple cabinets a week and needs that process. So the family of safety speed pocket hole machines starts with our SPM 101 EZ. Moves into our original SPM 301 with a pneumatic clamping system, pneumatic action, and then moves into our continuous duty SPM 301 heavy duty machine that not only comes with an extended table option, but also a high-end Colombo spindle and an air Sudrill air drill. This is our original screw pocket machine, and the key benefits that we've actually introduced into our manual machine and our high-end machine, the ability to adjust your web depth, so of different screw lengths, easily adjustable by just turning these knobs and adjusting your whole fence with an indicator here for easy adjustability for your web length itself or the length of screw you're going to be using. You can tighten this back in position. Another very big feature of our machine is actually the adjustability here. This is actually adjusting your depth of your pocket itself. So you can go from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch and land that pilot hole near the center of your wood. Very easy to do. You're not adjusting, no wrenches, nothing needed. Then if you go inside here, big component for us is easy accessibility to the inside of our machines. This goes from our entry-level line all the way up to the top line. You'll see the uniqueness of our machine is basically it cycles via mechanical clutch. So when you press your foot pedal, there's a pneumatic sensor that basically starts that clutch action, but then it's all mechanical, so it's very smooth in action. We've changed things in the machine from other existing machines in the marketplace that were unreliable, and we've created a machine that's much more reliable and gives a quality pocket.